Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to buy Shiba on Binance, follow the steps. Click open a web browser and log into your Binance account by typing in binance.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Binance account. From the main homepage of Binance, mouse over to the trade button at the top left-hand corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Select one of the options over here. For example, let me click on this advanced option in order to get full access to the trading tools. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Make sure that your spot menu is popped open and you've selected the buy button. Now, simply go to the top left-hand corner of the screen and mouse over to BTC/USDT. Right where you can see a small search box, type in Shiba and you'll be able to see Shiba AUD displayed on the screen right here. Simply click it on and you can see the amount has been changed to Shiba over here right inside the buy tab. Enter the amount of Shiba that you would like to purchase in the amount text box. Soon after you do that, your total number of AUD that you'll need to spend will be displayed over here. Finally, click on the buy Shib button at the bottom of the screen in order to buy Shiba from Binance. That is how you can easily buy Shiba cryptocurrency for Binance. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.